Ravi ji, thank you so much to ask me these questions by the comment box. Really, thank you so much. And I always say to every person, if you have any kind of query, you can ask me without any hesitations, because someone is not noticing to you that who you are, like what kind of questions you are asking relate any English. Okay, so first of all, I would like to appreciate you that you ask me that questions relate your problem. So thank you so much, and I hope and I also expect that a lot of people ask me these questions, so that of course I also can get a really you know really very good content, that if you want to ask any questions, and that questions i am able to I am able to make that video about your query. So please I'm requesting to all of you, please just try to do that. If you have any kind of problem, if you want to ask anything relate English, so please just try to ask me by the comment box. I'm here just because of I want to short your problem. I'm not too much good at English, but I am also trying to do my best, so that of course I can understand what is the problem when you just start the speaking in English, when you just start your journey how to speak in English, and you don't know even single word in English. And in this situation, at least you are thinking to speak in English. It's mean you are really amazing. So definitely, I would like to appreciate your courage that now you just decide to speak in English. So that thing is really inspire not only and only you. That thing is inspired to a lot of students, a lot of youth generations, a lot of people which is surrounding you. Okay, right? And when you just trying to speak in English, and definitely today those people will not appreciate you. Okay, maybe some people will laugh on you, some people will kick you, some people so much trying to, oh my god, why that person's trying to speak in English, there is no any requirement to speak in English, but still that person also trying to speak in English. What is the reason behind that, right? So thing is that in a beginning of times, all buddies will tell you that you are a mad. Okay, so just try to accept that things, I'm mad. Okay, and second thing is I will tell you that if in a beginning of time, it's not easy that you can speak very confidently, you can speak very accurate manner, you can speak very with very perfectly sentence, you cannot speak. But of course nothing is possible, everything is possible means I am possible. Just see, impossible means I am possible. So it's depend on your skills, it's depend on your starting of the process, it's depend on your hard work. Okay, means no necessary that you are speaking wrong or right, no matter, but important thing is that you are speaking. If you are trying to speak in English, it's mean you just cross your level 50%. Seriously, to be honest, 50% you automatically learned how to speak in English. You're not believing on me? Okay, I tell you why I'm saying like this, that this thing is done 50%. If you are not thinking to speak in English, but you just take it initiative action and you are speaking without any hesitations, without any scary, without any fear, without any fumble of to speak in English, and you are not thinking about the people's thinking about you, what, that you are speaking wrong or right, that you are speaking so much, not, I don't like it, that person is speaking very confidently. Don't think about the people's. This thing is actually, just try to think that you are speaking, it's mean you're really amazing. To be honest, you are really amazing. No matter you're speaking wrong, right, good, bad, your idea is really very good, your structure, your advanced level, your fluency, don't forget. Don't forget that things, but forget all things because you just started your journey is speaking English. So Ravi ji, I wanna tell you one thing, that you just asked me a question. Question was that what? Question was that Ravi ji, like आपके पास vocabulary है, you have vocab words and you are good, you completed your grammar structure, okay, but you are not able to make the sentences, okay. So thing is that I just read the questions by the comment box. I just got it that now. Firstly, I just greets to everyone. Sorry for that, guys. And so wish you very happy great day to all of you. Happy good morning. And my name is Richa, and you're the most welcome these sessions. Awesome Blossom English Learner. Okay, so come to the point on the answers which is asked by Raviji. Okay, so Raviji, if you want to know that you are not good at making of the sentences, okay, so thing is that I would like to suggest you way of the two style, okay. Firstly, you have to concern on the writing sections, okay. If you have vocab, suppose I just give you 5 vocab word, okay, suppose we have to make 5 line only, 5 sentences, we have to make 5 sentences on any topics. Just what about the video, okay, so we will talk about the video, okay. So you have topic of video, okay, and you have vocabulary, but you are not able to make sentence. So in these situations you cannot think that you can speak. No, I'm saying right, absolutely I'm saying right, but you can do everything, whatever you want to do that things. Before that, if you want to speak, so it is really necessary to create the confidence. How to create the confidence to speak, okay. So I tell you, you can speak with confidence. Is it possible for you? Of course it is possible. I will make you easy for you how to create the confidence while they speak in English. In the beginning of time, I'm not good at making of the sentence, and Richa is saying to me that it is easy. Yes, it's so easy, okay. So just try to learn vocabulary, okay. You already done. So what did what have you do? Just take a copy, okay. Just try to take those words which you learned, okay. And you already said that you are really very good at grammar, okay. So just try to make words, okay. Just start it. I just take one word of the pen, okay. So I just make 5 words, okay. I have 5 vocabulary, okay. Good, one word is good. Second is bright, BRIGHT, bright. Third is sharper, okay. Fourth is attractive, and fifth is what? Brand, okay. So I have now 5 words, okay. So now start the how to make sentence, okay. Don't think directly to speak, okay, because we are concentrations to making a sentence, because you have fumble of the sentences, how to make the sentence, okay. That's why I'm suggesting to you, just write down on the notepad. So now I'm writing. This is a pen. First line, this is a pen. My pen is so beautiful. My pen is so beautiful. When I just start the writing, and the writing so good, so attractive, okay. And that ink so bright. When I just write the words, on the notepad that all words so much bright because of ink is so shining, and that pen is brand of Parker. Okay, so thing is that means don't neglect yourself, please. Don't neglect yourself. You are saying that you have vocabulary, you have grammar, it's mean you're rich in speaking skills, you're rich in English skills. Okay, it is seriously, I'm telling to you, it is really hard that person can make easy sentence in English, but that person not good at English of grammar, that person is not good at vocabulary, but that person's speak in English. So that person also think in these conditions, oh my god, teacher ji, how to create my really very fascinate word, how to create the really very advanced word, how to do it. Okay, so in this situation, I would like to suggest to everyone, practice. If you will do practice more and more, definitely you can sort out this problem. You can use fancy vocabulary while the speaking, while the reading, but it's take a time, it's not easy, but you can do that. But in a beginning of time, just try to focus on the fluency. Okay, and okay, but you're really rich in English because you have actually great vocabulary box. Okay, you have really very great vocab mind. Second is, you have really very great sense of grammar. So where is lacking? Lacking is that I can consider that you are feeling hesitating. Am I right? Please just tell me by the comment box I'm saying right or wrong. If you are feeling hesitating, so please just try to tell me, Ravi ji. If I'm saying true, so please just write the comment, whatever you just think, and I just consider to you that you are feeling so much hesitate. If I'm saying right, so please just tell me by the comment box. I just said to you truth or I was wrong. Okay, so I just come back my words. Okay, no worries. If I just observed about you, so of course there is no any problem. If you just think that you are not able to make sentence, it's not necessary. If someone is really very great at grammar, so it's mean that person so much hesitate, that person thinking that if I am suppose if I am able to, if I know how to make the sentence, if I know about the sentences, if I know about the tenses, if I know about the active and passive voice, if I know about the adverb, so what is the sense of to making a sentence? You can make, but you are not good at making sentence. It's mean you are actually feeling so much hesitate, you are feeling hesitate. So just try to avoid that hesitations. Don't be think that you are making good or not. Okay, if you're just feeling hesitations, okay, so just try to start only firstly, what will you do? Just try to take one notepad and one pen. Okay, and just firstly write down. Okay, just take it one topic which I told you, video. Okay, so about the video, just try to make sentence, just try to write some sentences, only 5 sentences. I don't want to too much, I want only 5 sentences. And that sentence, don't be think just you want to make too much high of level, just don't think too much of advanced level. Just try to think a simple way of the sentences. Okay, simple way. What's your name? What's your good name? In which class do you read? Where are you from? Okay, you're so beautiful. Okay, so like that you also can make easy sentence. Okay, when you just start the speaking of so easy style, it's really easy to speak easy form. Okay, and now second way which I wanted to tell you. Okay, according to your questions, now I told you that just started the writing session and just focus on the writing sections. When you start your writing section, at that time what happened, you got that where you are lacking while the writing sections. You have need actually on the writing sections, or you are feeling need to simple sentences, or maybe you're really very good writer but you are not good speaker as well. So definitely in this situation you can get where you are lacking. Okay, and if you are lacking into the writing sections, definitely you can solve that problem. Okay, and if you are not feeling so much good speaking, so of course it's gradually you can speak very confidently, very good way, but start with simple format. If you will try to simple format, definitely you can do that. But if you will think, try to do in a beginning of time on the advanced level, you cannot do that. Actually you cannot do that. So just try to think for like from ABC, start of the beginning of the style. Okay, and so now it's completed, and if your question is cleared, so definitely you can ask any questions, whatever you want to ask any questions. And if your question is completed, so definitely you can tell me that I have cleared my problem. So if you will do that, so definitely it is really actually it will be actually for me motivation. Okay, and now I just tell you in Hindi. Okay, I just tell you in Hindi so that of course you can understand very comfortably, because you were telling to me and that you are from Hindi medium schools, right? Okay, so I'm just telling to you about me that I am also belong to Hindi status. Okay, my background is in Hindi, my school is in Hindi, my college was in, no, I just didn't complete my education from the college. I just completed my studies from my private university. Okay, so let it be. So miss my background, my environment, my friends, my everything is in Hindi. Okay, and I just started my English journey before 15 months, as I already mentioned many times, that I just started my journey 2nd Feb of 2020 in English. Okay, so before 2nd of Feb, what do you think, that I was really good at English? No, not at all. Even you're really amazing. Really, you're really amazing. You have vocabulary, you have grammar sections, you at least you also, when you just ask me questions by the comment box, really I would like to firstly appreciate you that you ask me these questions. Even I don't know how to messages on the YouTube channel, really. So means you're really very intelligent. Okay, I was really duffer before 15 months because of English journey, but seriously, I'm so much hungry to learn speak in English. I don't know how to do that. No any teachers in my life, no any teachers. And what do you think about that? That someone taught me? No one taught me. I just did practice by myself. I just did talk to myself. I just write, I just read, I just do everything whatever I did. Even today I'm also learning. I'm not good at English. I'm also speaking so much slowly, and I'm so much speaking slowly and very simple way. I also want to speak very advanced level. For that advanced level, I'm also doing practice a lot. Okay, I'm also practicing a lot. I'm also focusing on my advanced level, grammar structure, vocabulary, way of the speaking. I'm also doing that things, but I do not drop to myself. I just try to do my best. I just appreciate to myself. I just always appreciate to myself. Oh my God, that's really amazing. Now you're really good at the speaker. So I just appreciate to myself. If someone is not appreciating to you, someone is not saying to you that you're really good Rohit, so don't be think about the people. People will appreciate you, people will admire to you when you will be successful. But before that, you will have to admire on you. You will have to praise on yourself. Okay. So for that things, I'm so much talkative. Sorry for that, guys, and have a great good day. And so please don't forget if I spoke really good, and if you just think that is really actually it is really beneficial for you this video, so please don't be hesitate to like. And if you will feel this video will not gonna help you, so please just dislike. It's okay, because my intention is here how to motivate the people, how to motivate you all. You all are my Jaan. So for that things, if like I just consider to you all that you all are my Jaan, so definitely my Jaan can be angry with me, my Jaan can be happy with me. So but please forgive me if I just spoke any kind of wrong. Please just forgive me. And for that things, definitely, and I will make on daily basis video. And sorry for that, I didn't make even a single video for 6 days. Sorry for that, I was really ill. And so bye. And please, if that message is really beneficial, don't forget to spread that message with your friends, with your social media as well. Okay, so we will meet so soon. And if you have any problem, so please just ask the questions by the comment box as Ravi ji.